Since 2007, DAB+ digital terrestrial radio has been deployed mainly in Europe. Its importance is such that the EU has imposed that within 1 year, all radios installed in new cars, sold or rented in the EU, will have to use DAB+ technology. Why does it change? The switch to DAB+ is the equivalent to the switch to DDT for televisions. The digital technology takes over from the analogical one. This new digital technology offers many advantages, among them a better sound quality, a better listening continuity without disruption, the arrival of new radio stations, a simplified station search by name, numerous audio information via digital datas. AMS Radio Range offers two models equipped with DAB+ technology, a shallow radio and a CD radio.